This brand is a part of Newdyne Company and the water heaters are made in the USA. They are backed by a very good guarantee that includes an option for lifetime replacement of the tank, but they are only sold through a limited dealer network. The TPP models feature a Hydra stone lining for corrosion control and a copper heat exchanger to maximize heat transfer. The design of their cold water diffuser is such that it constantly washes the outside of the heat exchanger coil to reduce mineral buildup and maintain its heating efficiency. They have an electronic thermostat for accurate temperature control and they are available in 5 sizes from 10 to 70 gallons. The Featherweight models feature a thermoplastic tank which eliminates corrosion and is lighter for easier installation. They have a removable thin copper heat exchanger to maximize heating and they are available in sizes from 30 to 119 gallons. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.